Welcome everyone to Psych Town, where mind matters. I'm your host, Peras, and today we follow Alex on a journey to discover general psychology, neuroscience, development, and learning and conditioning, all in one day. Let's begin.
Hey Alex, you seem lost.
I am. I was supposed to study psychology, but I got overwhelmed on the topics.
No worries, I'm your general guide. Let's go on a guided tour. General psychology is the field that studies mental processes, behavior, and how mind and behavior interact. It's the umbrella subject under which neuroscience, development, learning, etc. fall. Come on, our first stop, neuroscience and behavior.
Welcome, travelers.
Welcome, viewers.
I am Dr. Neuro, President of the Brain Department.
And I'm your memory. I store and retrieve your experience.
Wow,
So your department is part of general psychology?
exactly. Neuroscience and behavior explore how nerve cells or neurons, brain structure, neurochemicals influence behavior. For example, when you taste something sweet sensory, neurons inside your brain that leads to pleasure.
I help consolidate that taste into memory hippocampus.
Also, behavior arises from brain process interacting with environment.
Travelers, be careful what you eat, because sometimes eating more sweet can cause diabetes or can affect our decision making and mental health problems. Did you get it, guys?
Neuroscience links biology and psychology, sicknesses, neurochemicals, brain circuits, and how they lead to behavior.
Great! Now that you know how your brain works, meet Dave will walk you through your life stages.
Hello, I'm Dave, your inner child.
And I'm your parent. I guide you through growth.
I'm curious, how does psychology see you change over time?
In childhood, I learned basic motor skills language. In adolescence, I developed identity, abstract thinking, peer influence. As an adult, I refine career, relationship, and personality.
When I was a child, I want to learn motorcycle skills because I was influenced by my idol Mark Marquez until we meet each other and we ride together. And my lesson in my life is that we have a desire or a dream that we must be careful and let our wishes come true.
Hi Alex, want to see how I learn behaviors?
Sure.
After a few seconds, Blair rings the bell again. Alex instantly picked up the book.
That's classical conditioning. Pairing a neutral stimulus with an unconditioned stimulus leads to a conditioned response.
So after several rains, my body reacts without even without food.
Yes.
And here's operant conditioning.
Learns to repeat a behavior to get reward.
Learning and conditioning involves how behaviors changes through experience. Classical conditioning or Pavlov. Operant conditioning or Skinner. We learn by association and by consequences.
Wow! So my brain, my growth over time, and my experiences all connect.
Your brain and neurons give the biological basis.
Over time, your development shapes what you can and will do.
And conditioning, learning, molds behavior based on your environment.
So in real life, if I'm trying to form a new habit like exercise, learning and conditioning matter.
That's our 10 minutes journey through Psych Town. Thank you all and God bless.
Good morning everyone, I'm Ian Agustin Peras. Mag-rate ko sa akong kauban ma'am. Overall, 8 over 10. Thank you ma'am and God bless. Pasensya kayo, mauro tamong naabot sa mga utok ma'am.
Hello sa among grupo na 10 members. Ako sila i-rate. Si Caballero 8 over 10. Si Piras 9 over 10. Si Ranolio 8 over 10. Si Sahulga 9 over 10. Si Maglasang 8 over 10. Si Katigara 8 over 10. Si Mindahaw 9 over 10. Si Galope 9 over 10. Si Dagook 8 over 10. So, puro to akong mga rate sa ilaha.
I'm with you this Olga. May rate ako si Teras 9 over 10. I-rate na ko si Ranolo 8 over 10. I-rate na ko si Katigara 8 over 10. I-rate na ko si Galope 8 over 10. I-rate na ko si Mindahaw 8 over 10. I-rate na ko si Anino 8 over 10. I-rate na ko si Maglasang 8 over 10. I-rate na ko si Daguo 8 over 10. I-rate na ko si Caballero 8 over 10.
Hi, I'm John Paul Katigara. Nag-rate ko sa akong kauban sa video. Rate na ko si Piras 10 over 10. Si Anino 10 over 10. Si Tagook 10 over 10. Si Galope 10 over 10. Si Ranolio 10 over 10. Si Caballero 10 over 10. Si Maglasang 10 over 10. Si Mindahaw 10 over 10. O si Sahulga 10 over 10 po. Ma'am.
Hi ma'am, my name is Justin Ranolio. Nag-rate ko sa kong kauban, kagrupo na ko. Una na ko i-rate is si Piras 10 over 10 kay siya good ga-edit, ga-video niya. Siya po nagkuhan sa mga script, gabuhat. Sunod si Katigara 8 over 10. Si Galope 8 over 10. Si Jod Anino 9 over 10 kay kapil po siya video niya. Si Video sa Olga 8 over 10. Si Maglasang 8 over 10. Si Mindahaw 8 over 10. Si Dagook 8 over 10 gyapon. Salamat.
Good morning ma'am. Great day ko sa akong mga kauban ma'am. Una na ko i-rate ay si Ian Agustin or Jupers 10 over 10. Si Justin Ranolo 9 over 10. Si Jude Anino 9 over 10. Si Jake Sahulga 10 over 10. Si Caballero 9 over 10. Si Daguok 9 over 10. Si Maglasang 9 over 10. Si Galope 9 over 10. Thank you ma'am.
Good morning. So mag-rate ko sa mga kaubanan sa psychology dahil sa video. So sa among group is na napulo may ka-members, so i-rate na ako ang 9 ako kauban sa grupo. So, mag-una tayo kay Katigara, i-rate na ako si Katigara as 8 over 10. Video sa Hulga, 8 over 10. Jude Anino, 8 over 10. Caballero, 8 over 10. Dagook, 8 over 10. Ranulio, 8 over 10. Tas kay Piras, 9 over 10. Mindahaw, 8 over 10. Maglasang, 8 over 10.
Maglasang, ma'am, from Base Industrial Technology, Automotive, second year. I'm going to rate myself 8 out of 10. I'm going to rate Antonio Edwan Caballero 9 out of 10. I'm going to rate Christian Galope 9 out of 10. I'm going to rate Ayan Agustin Piras 10 over 10. I'm going to rate Jim Brett Dagoop 9 out of 10. I'm going to rate Jude Anino 9 out of 10. I'm going to rate Justin Ranulio 9 out of 10. I'm going to rate Jake Sahulga Video 9 out of 10. I'm going to rate Paul Katigara 9 out of 10. I'm going to rate Rocky Mindahaw 9 out of 10.
Hi ma'am, ako din si Jim Brett si Dagook. Mag-rate din ko sa akong kauban or sa grupo na ko ma'am. Piras 10 over 10, Maglasang 10 over 10, Sahulga 10 over 10. Then Anino 10 over 10, Ranulio 10 over 10, sunod Galope 10 over 10, yeah. Katigara 9 over 10, yeah. Si Caballero 9 over 10, and Rocky 10 over 10. Thank you, ma'am.
My name is Antonio Edwan Caballero from Base Intake Major in Automotive. Rate na ako kang Christian Galope is 8, kang Ayan Agustin Piras is 9, from Jude Anino is 8, from Jake Sahulga is 9, from John Paul Katigara is 8, from Roque Mindahaw is 9, from Jude Anino is 8, and Jim Brett is 8, from Lawrence Maglasang is 9. Kamara.